Hello, everyone. Today we are going to read the book called A Leaf Can Be, written by Laura Purdy Salas and illustrated by Violeta Dabija. We all know leaves grow on trees and other plants, but did you know that leaves have many jobs? Some are practical, like making food for the tree. Others are beautiful or fun, like dancing in the wind. A leaf is a leaf. It bursts out each spring when sunny days linger and orioles sing. A leaf can be a soft cradle. Certain kinds of caterpillars spin cocoons around themselves and turn into moths. Some caterpillars spin their cocoon right on leaves. The leaf acts as a cradle, keeping the cocoon safe until the moth comes out. A leaf can be earth greener. Things that keep land, water, and air healthy are called green. Leaves, plants, and trees are called green not only because of their color, but also because they do good things for our planet. A leaf is a leaf, a bit of a tree. But when cool days come chasing, it also can be a mouth filler. Leaves can be tasty. Apes, giraffes, insects, and many other animals eat leaves. Humans do too. Have you eaten lettuce or spinach lately? Leaf can also be air cleaner. When leaves take in air, they also take tiny bits of pollution out of the air. Leaves also send out clean oxygen, a chemical in the air that people need to breathe. Leaf can be hill glower. In fall, the weather cools off and days grow shorter. Leaves stop making chlorophyll, the substance that turns them green. Then we can see the gold, orange, and red colors of some leaves. A leaf can be frost catcher. When the air gets cold overnight, frost sometimes forms on leaves. It turns them white and sparkly. A leaf can be wind rider. When leaves die and fall off a tree, they swirl in the wind. Watch the blowing leaves and you'll see which way the wind is going. A leaf can also be a lake glider. Some leaves skim across the surface of a lake like tiny sailboats. A leaf can be a pile grower. Raking the yard might be a chore, but jumping in a big pile of leaves makes it all worthwhile. A leaf can also be a water ladle. Animals don't use bowls or spoons or cups, but many drink out of leaves. Leaves' shape makes them perfect for holding dew or rainwater. A leaf is also a sun taker. One of the major jobs of a leaf is to take in sunlight. A leaf is also a food maker. Along with the sunlight, leaves take in air and water. They turn these things into food for the plant or the tree. This is called photosynthesis. A leaf is also a tree topper. This is how we usually think of leaves, the green tops of trees. Imagine what the world would look like if trees were only trunks and limbs with no leaves. A leaf is also a rain stopper. Flat, broad leaves shelter things underneath the tree from rain. Never stand under a tree during a thunderstorm, though. A leaf can be a skin welter. Not all leaves are nice to touch. Poison ivy will cause red, itchy bumps or welts to form on skin. A leaf can also be a bat shelter. Some leaves shelter animals. Tiny Honduran white bats, for instance, make a line down the center of a large rainforest leaf. They chew through some of the leaf's veins and the leaf folds down around them like a tent. Leaf can also be shade spiller. On a hot August day, what could be better than the cool shade of an oak tree? A leaf can also be a moth matcher. Some moths and other animals look like leaves. This helps the animals blend in with the surroundings and hide from other animals that would eat them. Dead leaf moths look like, well, dead brown autumn leaves. Some leaves can be fine healer and used as ingredients in medicines. Some leaves can also be snake concealer. Snakes sometimes slither under a layer of leaves lying on the ground. The leaves hide the snakes from hawks, rats, and other hungry animals. Some leaves help as ground warmer. When fallen leaves cover the ground each autumn, they have a job to do. They help warm the ground below them for the winter. That helps the grass underneath survive until spring. Some leaves can be nest former. Many birds use dried leaves from the autumn before to build their nests each spring. A leaf is a leaf, a bit of a tree. Now go and discover what else it can be. Thank you for watching.